Hello guys, and today...
Hello!
Yeah, say hello to me guys. And we're going to be making a tool inside of Studio Lite. So first we need to get a tool from the workspace and then cut it. And then starter pack placed into it. And then we've got to select all of the bits you need. And you have to cut it out. And then you need to place it inside of that. But actually, what I want a seed. So I will make an apple seed. I'm going to make an apple. An apple seed is the only thing I can think of right now. I'm going to make 0.5. 0.5 out of 10. This is going to be good. Nope, that's ruined. I need to make another part.
Ow. Sorry.
Okay. I need to make an apple. That's good. Now we need to anchor it and then can either add like all of these things to it. I'm gonna change the color to red. Mia, have you thought of this idea?
Yeah.
Yeah, because I did do a video a few minutes ago of how to make whatever. Right, that's done. I actually need it at 0.3 now. Not 1.003. The next video is gonna probably be a color hide challenge. I have absolutely no idea though. Did I just do 2 bricks? No. Okay, I'm gonna make that brown. Make that green. Make that green. And then do it again. It sounds like it's raining, to be honest.
What?
It sounds like it's raining. Because when you scraped it up, it sounded like rain. Okay, now the apple's done, we need to select it all and then cut it and then paste it into the toolbox. Into the tool, I meant. Now that's done, inside of the tool, I think, wait a minute, we need to add a local script. Not a normal script, a local script. Local script. There we go. So the local script. Oh, this is going to happen again. Just do that. And then change the name of the tool. Change the name of the tool to seed. I'll just name it seed right now. And then this video has been on for 5 minutes. And now we need to create a remote event in the toolbox. In the tool. Remote event. And then change it. Name it to plant clicker. And now it should work. But we have a seed. No, it doesn't work now. I'll make a fixed bug on it, okay? Bye, guys.